Well, कार्तिक, lovely to see you. पाठक जी, लग रहा है मेरी नौकरी के पीछे हो यार.
अरे नहीं नहीं, मैं बिल्कुल भी नौकरी के पीछे नहीं, और आपसे बेहतर आपकी नौकरी मैं बिल्कुल नहीं कर पाऊंगा. बट थैंक यू सो मच.
So I got the film, and I must say I'm really very impressed. You are anyways the king of monologues. So this was totally your jam. But I liked the whole premise. And also what I really liked was you've completely shown another aspect of your personality as an actor. So I want to ask you, what was Karthik Aaryan's reasons for saying yes to Dhamaka and creating this Dhamaka?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this. It actually, first of all, I would just like to say that it validates, your choices as an actor, and when something like this resonates, once it's been viewed. So ऐसा लगता है जो भी efforts किए थे सब एकदम अच्छे efforts गए, and उसका एक result आया. So thank you for this. The real reason I think I really wanted to collaborate with Ram Madhwani sir, and Dhamaka was a subject which I was blown away when I heard it, and the kind of character Arjun Pathak, or the kind of shades that he has, I was just blown away by that. And for the longest time I was looking for something which was different, and which was really uh, uh, I don't know, new age, and it was just totally something which I had never done before. So Arjun Pathak, or Dhamaka, was that, and then I had, matlab, it was a no brainer for me, just to, just so, I mean, collaborating with Ram Madhwani and playing a character like Arjun Pathak, these were the two main things.
आप पर भरोसा तो सबको है as an actor, you know. But it's an interesting premise which you also as an actor have experienced when you become the news instead of the news. That's interesting. What did you draw upon some aspects? What could you relate to this, when you're suddenly caught in a situation which you didn't think you would be part of?
I mean, whenever that has happened with me, I've never given, matlab, any kind of any kind of heed to such situations. So I think it has always been my work that has spoken, and I've always been true to that. So personally, I would think that ऐसा कुछ अलग मेरे साथ, ऐसा मैंने ऐसे कि मैं सेंटर ऑफ वो बन गया जबकि न्यूज़ कुछ और थी. कई बार आदत भी हो जाती है when things get blown out of proportion, तो वो चीजें भी होती हैं, and I've gotten used to it. So I don't blame anyone for that. वो one thing leads to the other, वो ऐसे करते 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 it becomes spiral effect हो जाता है, and so I'm okay with such things, and I'm yeah, as long as anything doesn't affect my family, I'm fine with it. Yeah.
And you are also the king of monologues. So this was like totally a jam, na? Where it's shot in one place. It's just
Yeah.
a story of one day. What
Yeah.
was that like? Tell me your experience as an actor. And इतनी जल्दी आपने shoot किया था यार.
मतलब it's something unique. I mean, मैं thankfully monologues मैंने किए हैं पहले, and this tag of king of monologues, or या फिर these things, they keep coming my way. And but the thing is that more than doing monologues, this was like performing, doing long scenes at once. It was just not dialogue bazi, it was acting, reacting, and then going into other situation, walking from one place to the other, and the scene continues. So we were shooting for like 20 pages. So I mean, there were long shots, long takes, and Ram sir has this habit of taking really long takes. So wo ek take, they used to be 20-minute takes, a single shot which is around 20 pages, and which is unreal. It's like a theatrical experience. I mean, theaters में ये होता है जहाँ पे आप करते जाते हैं, तो it was like a play for me. I was actually enacting like that in a play, and I had to be well, मतलब आप मेरे से पूरी स्क्रिप्ट पूछेंगे तो मुझे पूरी स्क्रिप्ट पता है. So it was like
Awesome.
that, because we used to do 20 pages in one take, 15 pages in one take, 12, 10. It was never less than that. It was always something like that. The film was divided into chapters. chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter, and so on. And so we shot chapter 1 on first day, then second. We shot it linearly, so I'm glad that we did that. So we got the graph or the arc of the character, but it was divided into chapters, which was quite cool to, तो वो एक ग्राफ मिल रहा था कि चैप्टर 1 में ये ग्राफ है, चैप्टर 2 में ये ग्राफ. सो इट्स यूनिक टू जस्ट even think of it right now कि अच्छा retrospect में when we were just shooting over there, it's quite different from the kind of films that are made usually. Dhamaka is a unique film and is a unique way of also doing your preps or rehearsing or shooting, because I was surrounded by 10 cameras or 8 cameras at once, throughout the shoot, and everything was getting recorded. And so Ram sir doesn't say action. He just comes to you sit at your position, you rehearse one or two things with him, discuss the tone, discuss the reactions, and once you know all these things, then he comes to you and he just says that, Karthik, whenever you're ready, you start, and he goes away. And everybody just waits. Whenever you are ready, you can start. So there's no pressure. There's no कि कोई आया और action, and then you're like, हाँ, क्या बोलना था? It's not like that.
Wow,
So
that's
it's
interesting. Yeah.
yeah, it's so cool to do something like that, and I was in that world. So I really enjoyed shooting like that, and it was not the usual shoot, uh, and the result is there.
Sure, engineer, actor, a news anchor. Third alternate, plan C.
अभी मैं प्रमोशन में ज्यादा कर लिया एंकरिंग काफी किया सो आई एम एंजॉयिंग इट आल्सो बट इट्स अ वेरी रिस्पांसिबल जॉब इट्स नॉट समथिंग व्हिच आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल कैन डू एंड मुझे बहुत रिस्पेक्ट आप सबके लिए आई है ये फिल्म करके क्योंकि ये एक थैंकलेस जॉब भी है बिकॉज इट बिकम्स या इट्स मतलब वो ऐसे दिमाग में नहीं आता कि आपने कुछ किया या नहीं किया इट बिकम्स रन ऑफ द मिल हाँ ठीक है हो गया ये हो गया नहीं सो बट एक आपका सवाल भी इधर से उधर हुआ तो उसका कुछ बन सकता है एक जवाब उसका कुछ बन सकता है देयर इज अ थिन लाइन व्हिच यू फॉलो
how you know what happens it's a similar job Karthik same thali mein hum
that's what it is but it's so so I have gotten this immense respect for media and journalists through this film so and I've understood this
and wo jo those who do ulta phulta and misconstrue na ab samajh unko to
हर फील्ड में वो हर फील्ड में उसका कोई एंड नहीं हाँ
सही है But if you were to start a story about yourself, जैसे हम देख रहे हैं, let the viewers watch धमाका and create a धमाका, क्या story है, क्या अफवाह अपने बारे में you would want to start कि धमाका हो जाए?
मेरे बारे में इतनी अफवाहें आती हैं कि मुझे अफवाह क्रिएट करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है एक पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम ऐसा था मैं अखबार पढ़ रहा था मैं अरे आज मेरी खबर नहीं आई तो मिस कर रहा था आज कोई रूमर नहीं आया तो वो भी हुआ है बट तो ऐसा कोई अफवाह अभी मेरे कोई शौक बचे नहीं है कि ये वाला रूमर आ जाए तो वो वाला आ जाए सब तरीके के आ चुके हैं
टोटली तुम न्यूज़ पढ़ते हो आप क्या आप इट्स लाइक
नहीं मैं पढ़ता हूँ मैं न्यूज़ पढ़ता हूँ मैं सब तरीके की न्यूज़ पढ़ता हूँ या देखता भी हूँ तो और मेरी फैमिली में काफी देखते हैं न्यूज़ तो वो भी काफी इट रब्स ऑन टू मी
बट व्हेन दे रीड अबाउट यू व्हाट डू दे से मम्मी कॉल करती है कि ये भी कर दिया ऐसा हुआ
एक आध बार ऐसी क्वेश्चन आ जाता है घूमते फिरते कि ये सच है क्या हो रहा है या ये ऐसे रूमर है बोलता हूँ तो
But it's just amazing, Karthik, because I followed your career from your first film, if you remember.
Yeah, I know.
And now you have given us a dhamaka, and now there's a lot more coming. Yeah. Tell us what new aspects of you we are going to see as I wrap up. What can we see of Karthik Aaryan, because it's full of surprises.
After this, my next release after Dhamaka would be Bhool Bhulaiyaa 2, which is in March.
Sequels bhi to ho.
हाँ तो ये सीक्वल है और उसके बाद मैं कर रहा हूँ फ्रेडी आएगी which is again an interesting project which we have completed shooting so yeah I'm really excited for Bhool Bhulaiyaa and Freddy and then of course Shehzada की shooting अभी चालू हो जाएगी उसके बाद there's an untitled film with Sajid Nadiadwala sir and Shireen Mantri and Kishore. They're producing Samir Vidwans, who's a Marathi filmmaker and very good filmmaker. I'm really looking forward to collaborate with him. वो direct कर रहे हैं ये untitled film. Now there's another and then Hansal Mehta sir, उनकी film Captain India. So yeah.
Oh, Karthik, way to go. And before I go, can I tell people out here, I still remember the young boy who came walking all by himself through the parking lot to my news studio and saying, let's do this interview. I have never forgotten that day. And I hope you never lose that boy in you.
कभी भी नहीं, कभी भी नहीं. Thank you. That's so
Thank
sweet.
you so much. All set for a dhamaka, yeah?
Thank you.
Thank you so much. All the very best. Bye.